machine with some waters.
You have a vending machine, but you have waters right
Oh,
there.
you want one of these free waters? You want one of my free waters? Okay.
Yeah. See, I sort of bought these for me.
These aren't community waters.
There's a
Guys.
vending machine. Did you not see the vending machine around the corner?
You see the vending machine? When you came in the front?
Lobby. In the lobby.
Pretty sure they got some bottled water in there. You didn't see a vending machine as you came in?
You came in.
I think there's a water fountain by the bathroom.
There's a fountain.
There's a water fountain by the bathroom. Oh my god.
No, these are our bottled waters.
Oh, this is my bottle of water. I'm not sure what water you thought you were going to drink.
Did they not tell you about the vending machine?
You didn't see those vending machines? You came in the front door? Yeah, that's for you guys. Yeah, that's for you.
It's sort of.
Yeah. It takes plastic.
It takes
don't
credit
worry.
cards.
Don't worry. It takes cards. Don't worry. That is so gutless. Charge people for water in your own fucking establishment.